everyone, welcome back to Amma's Nalapaka. Today we are making a delicious and flavorful mutton keema curry, also known as Keema Gojju, a spicy aromatic dish that pairs perfectly with rice, roti or dosa. Let's get started. First, wash minced mutton thoroughly. First heat half cup of oil in a cooker, then add 2 chopped onions to it. Saute until it turns golden brown. Then add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste and saute until fragrant. Now add minced mutton with 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it thoroughly so the keema is coated evenly with the spices. Cook on medium heat for few minutes until the keema changes its color. Now add 1 cup of green peas to it. Now it's time to add half cup of tomato puree. Cook them well until the oil starts separating from the masala. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, coriander powder and garam masala. Mix everything well and cook the masala for a minute. Pour half cup of water, cover the pan and let the keema cook until it becomes soft and juicy. Your mutton keema curry is now ready. Serve it hot with crispy dosa. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Amma's Nalapaka. Thank you for watching.